What if one day, machines could think, learn, and feel just like we do? This isn't science fiction anymore, it's the dream of artificial general intelligence, or artificial general intelligence, AGI. AGI refers to a type of AI that possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, just like a human brain. Unlike today's AI, which we call narrow AI, that can only do specific things like recognizing faces, driving cars, or generating text based on patterns, AGI would be able to reason, solve problems creatively, adapt to new situations, and even grasp abstract ideas. Think about a machine that could become a scientist one day, an artist the next, and a teacher the day after that, all without being explicitly programmed. This concept has fascinated thinkers for decades. Alan Turing, one of the fathers of computer science, dreamed of machines that could simulate human thought. In the 1950s and 60s, early pioneers like Marvin Minsky predicted that true machine intelligence could arrive within a generation. And yet, here we are, many decades later, still chasing that dream. Along the way, pop culture has kept the idea alive. Films like Her, Ex Machina, and The Matrix have shown us both the beauty and the terror of AGI, machines that could understand us emotionally or possibly control us entirely. So how close are we today? With the rise of large language models like GPT, progress in neural networks, and the advent of deep learning, AI is getting shockingly good at tasks we once thought required human-level intelligence. It can write poetry, generate music, compose essays, even simulate conversations with empathy. But despite all this, we are still far from true AGI. These systems don't understand what they're doing, they just predict patterns. They lack common sense, real-world reasoning, and most importantly, consciousness. They don't form memories, feel emotions, or have goals of their own. And here's where the real challenge begins. To build AGI, we need machines that can generalize knowledge the way humans do, transfer learning from one domain to another, and operate with awareness of context, ethics, and long-term consequences. We also face deep philosophical questions. What does it mean to think? Can consciousness emerge from code? Should we even create something that could surpass us? Experts are divided. People like Nick Bostrom warn about the existential risks AGI could pose if it's not aligned with human values. Imagine an intelligent system acting on goals we don't fully understand. On the other hand, leaders like Demis Hassabis of DeepMind believe AGI could solve humanity's greatest challenges, from climate change to curing diseases. We might create the ultimate partner in discovery. Still, the path forward is filled with uncertainty. Will AGI arrive in 10 years, 50 years, or not at all? Will it be a single breakthrough or an evolution of systems like GPT getting smarter over time? And what happens to society when AGI becomes real? Jobs, education, law, and even relationships could change forever. Some predict a singularity, a moment when machine intelligence explodes beyond our control, transforming everything. Others see a more gradual integration of AGI into our lives. Either way, it's no longer a question of if, but when. As we stand on the edge of this new frontier, we must ask ourselves, are we ready to share our world with machines that think? Or will we become the creators of something we can no longer understand or control? One thing is clear. The rise of AGI is not just a technological milestone, it's a turning point in human history.